listen. Listen, Linda.
God bless the USA.
We'll maybe do one more. If you want to hear a country song, make some noise. If you want to be a rocker for 10 seconds, make some noise. Well, I mean, it's one song, and I think the rockers won on that. Here we go. Jump, 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 jump. We'll see you Saturday night. The Giddy Up Festival. We close out the festival Saturday night. Come back and see us. Come say hi, okay? Appreciate you. Nothing but love and respect. Y'all are awesome. Hey, Kelly. Hey, Kelly. Hey, Kelly. Hit me 2 times. Coming up here tonight to sing the national anthem, y'all. Cassie Dunn coming to the stage.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Lights look good on you, so good